Hi, this is Stephen Shipler. I have another beautiful property in Creekbend Estates to show you. This one is available, and it is an amazing property that is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. It's 3,170 square feet. This property has a 3-car garage. It's amazing in the Creekbend Estates. And let's take a little tour of the house. So as we come in the property here, you can see it's a gorgeous house. This is the office in the front to the left as we enter. Neat wallpapering and obviously all this storage and closet space. And as we turn, this is again at the front of the property. So then we're going to turn and come back out of this office area. And then we have this hallway. This is a 1-story property, which is very sought after in the Plano area. To the left here is the formal dining room. Everything is very, very well maintained in this property. And then we're going to take a right and then a hard right here. And this is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is big open. It sits in the front of the property. And that's turning toward the walk-in closets. And that is the master bathroom. So big dual vanities, separate tub and shower. Big walk-in closets again, and then we are going to head back out of the master bedroom and come over into this second bedroom. There's a bedroom here down the hall, so there's a bathroom to the left there, and then as we come down the hall we're going to see there's 2 bedrooms here. So this is the second bedroom. Pretty standard size. This bedroom is 13 by 11, and then the other one is another one's 13 by 12. The master is 19 by 17. So then we're going to come into this other bedroom here, swing around, come back out, and then again in this hallway, this is that shared bathroom for that bedroom, or for those 2 bedrooms. And then we're going to come back out of this area and back out into this open area here. And then we're going to cruise down the hall here. Again, it's a big open 1-story floor plan. It's gorgeous out here in this living area. This is the family room living area, fireplace, that's the backyard. It does have a sliding electric gate in the back, and also again 3-car garage. So there's a bar over there to the left. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is a massive open kitchen. This is the breakfast area, eating kitchen. Big island. Everything is in very, very good condition. All this, the cook stove on the island. Looking out into the open floor plan here. So then we're going to come back out of the kitchen. To the right here is just a butler's pantry or a bar area, whatever you'd like that to be. And then we're going to come down the hallway. There's another bathroom there to the right, and then a bedroom here in the back of the property. This is another beautiful property in Creekbend Estates. If anybody has interest in listing or buying property in Creekbend or in or around Plano, I'd love to help you. We do offer your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it myself. Again, Stephen Shipler with RE/MAX, 972-333-5448. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much.